Hi, this is Steve Knight and welcome to Blackwell Global's Daily Market Update. Starting with the euro dollar today, and the pair fell sharply as concerns over an impending Greek default mount. An announcement from the IMF has stated that they have abandoned the latest round of negotiations and returned to Washington DC. There is a definite view amongst the IMF that Greece is not negotiating in good faith and that they saw little utility in debating Greece's red lines any further. On the news front, Eurozone industrial production month-on-month data is due out shortly and is forecast at 0.4%. Turning to the cable now, and the pair ended the day relatively flat despite the stronger than expected US core retail sales data. Core retail sales was forecast at 0.8%, but surprised the market coming in at 1%. Subsequently, the cable did decline to 1.5420, but recovered to continue its long side push. Looking at fundamentals now, and the pound will look towards the US PPI month-on-month data due shortly for its trend moving forward. Taking a look at the Aussie dollar now, and the pair rose today as Australian unemployment data ticked lower to 6% compared to the 6.2% expected. The result seemingly defies the recent macroeconomic data, which was indicating a slowing Australian domestic economy. It's likely to be a fairly quiet end to the week for the pair, with no Australian economic news on the horizon. Shifting to commodities now, and crude oil futures had a rough day ahead of the latest US rig count data. Down nearly 1% on the back of profit taking by some bigger players, oil has really found some selling pressure. Gold also fell around 0.36% due to the strong US retail sales figure, while silver managed a small net gain of 0.06%. Taking a quick look at some of the key indices now, and the DAX closed up 0.6%, whilst the S&P 500 also closed up at 2109.75 before retreating back to 2105. Reports from the US also point to some issues within the bond markets as traders are having difficulty finding liquidity for some of the larger trades. Finally, taking a look at our analyst pick of the day, and crude oil is looking to move lower, having pulled back from the swing high at 61.81. The moving averages show a correction in progress as the 6 and 12 EMAs start to trend lower, looking for a bearish cross. RSI has also trended lower out of overbought territory and is looking to make lower lows. Watch out for the US rig report due out later, as it may impact the commodities valuation if there has been a large amount of stand downs. For more information, visit blackwelltrader.com. That's all I've got for you today. This is Steve Knight with Blackwell Global.